In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your PS5 Pro is not connecting to your Wi-Fi and you're experiencing network issues. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, then go ahead and turn off your console. Now while your console's turned off, unplug the power from your home network for 30 to 60 seconds, then go ahead and plug it back in and boot up your console and see if your internet's working. Now if it's not, we're going to go to settings in the top right corner, and we're going to go to network, connection status, and you want to see if you're connecting to your Wi-Fi at all. Same thing with your internet connection. Now, if you are connecting and you test your internet connection and you notice your speeds are really slow, what I'd recommend you try and do is reduce the number of devices using your internet at your house. Now, the next thing you can try is go to View PlayStation Network Status if you're able, and just make sure that everything's up and running, because if not, that could be the problem. So the next thing we're going to do is go back and go to settings and make sure connect to internet's turned on, and we're going to go to set up internet connection. Now here's where you should see your registered network, and what you want to do is press the start or options button on it and try forgetting your network and reconnecting to it to see if that fixes the issue. Now, something else you could try under Wi-Fi frequency bands, if you have this set to 5 gigahertz or 6 gigahertz, for example, and your router is incredibly far away from your PS5 Pro, you could try changing it to 2.4 gigahertz only, but I always recommend you try and go with a wired connection, as it's always going to be the fastest and most stable. So after you've done that, if it's still not working at this point, I'd maybe try waiting a little bit. It could also be your ISP, so you may have to reach out to them. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.